Good morning. I'm Lynn.
I'm Aaron.
Happy Valentine's Day and welcome to Ewetopia Farms.
And this was Lynn's Valentine's gift 2 days early.
It's Looney.
Lynn doesn't change her attitude, she's gonna lose it. And look at this little white booty.
It's Looney. Hi, Looney.
I think he's already growing.
Arnie, put it in with Toonie.
He's really doing well. Oh, don't lay on him.
There.
Here. Okay. I did tube at 2 in the morning. I think it's sucking right now.
Oh, that's the older guy. Good.
Yeah.
This lamb here was a little hypothermic yesterday, and we tubed him, and he just didn't look good. But he's definitely nursing now, so that's really good news.
His heart was. Remember?
Yeah, he was.
Flickering a little.
Yeah, he was really breathing hard and
And I gave him a little bit
struggling.
of drugs.
Yeah, we did give him drugs.
So I think he's sucking right now.
And then we had triplets last night. This one had a single and adopted the spotty one. And she seems to love him. And she didn't stand on him and break his leg.
Not yet.
Not yet. And
He's not over yet.
this is the actual mom, right?
Yeah. She had triplets.
And she's got big teats again, so we're going to help these lambs out this morning.
And all the rest look fine.
Well, except we got to get this. The little broken leg guy's up nursing.
yeah.
He's trying to nurse too, but I am going to go in and give him a bottle. But the problem with the broken leg one, people seem to think, oh, it's just a broken leg, you'll heal. But it's in a place that I'm really doubtful that it will heal. But we're hoping for the best. So today, Looney's one of the ones that gets to leave the jug with her mom. So that means she's got to get all her tagging and stuff done. So this is my container with all my stuff here. I've already got Toonie's information plugged into the computer. That's her number, and that's the dad, Hamish. And these are the tags that Looney's gonna get. So this is her farm tag with her number on it. This is the mandatory radio tag. This will be to dock her tail. This is our Disticel, which is a selenium E mixture that lambs get. This is Baycox to prevent coccidiosis. And that's it. We're gonna tag her ears the way we did Toonie's. So as you can see, we tagged Toonie's ears at the back. The package says to tag them at the front, at the top there. But what we found was that the tags tended to go in their eyes when they walked and could irritate the eyes. So, and also they got cotton fences and cotton anything a lot easier. So we tag at the bottom, at the back of the ear. Normally I would also put a number on the back like I did with Toonie, but I'm not going to put a number on Looney because Looney's the only one that looks like this and we know who her mom is. So usually those numbers on the back are so that we can identify which lamb goes with which mom, but in this case it's extremely evident. So I'm going to tag her now. I feel bad about it because she looks so calm. But we're going to get that done right now. Hi, Looney. Sorry. I have to do this to you, sweetheart. There we go. This is the radio tag. Oh. No, you gotta move, honey. It's like getting your ears pierced. The selenium goes under her skin, not in the muscle. The baycox is just a little orange, a little oral drench. And we're gonna flip her around. I'm sorry, honey, I hate to do this to you. Tail docking is not something that you have to do. It is something that seems to be a really North American thing to do. We like to leave little bunny tails. So there's a place where the skin ends and the wool starts. That's where I like to put the band. And it covers their private parts. It actually stops sunburn when they're out grazing in the field. And if they do get the runs or anything, then there's less chance of fly strike. So that's how we do it. She's not going to get a number, but she's all done now. There you go. I already scanned her tag ahead of time, so she's in my computer system now too. There you go. And later on today we'll be letting her out. These guys are going to go in the Dorset group, I think. Our raven is just landed in the backyard and he's taking dead branches to make a nest. But I haven't seen another one for him yet. But I hear him calling.
Happy, huh?
He's pulling all dead branches off the trees. So they're not twigs on the ground. He's getting fresh dead ones. I hope he finds a mate, because we've had ravens nesting in our crow's nest on the silo for years now, and it'd be sad not to have them there. And actually, here is another one doing the same thing. When I go out there, I'm going to check the crow's nest, because I think we have a couple here. And they're going to make a new nest. Yay! It's awfully early for them to be making a nest, but it feels this week like April, they say. But the cold is supposed to be coming back next week. I found a second one. It's doing the same thing.
There is two?
Yeah, I think so. Because one flew away and then I looked and there's one in this tree now.
I'm gonna ask you a little quiz here, honey.
Ow. Yeah? I'm waiting.
What Prime Minister, President of the United States said,
Hi.
put the wall up?
Trump.
Okay, that's right. And what Prime Minister from the United States said,
President.
what President from the United States said, take that wall down? Come on.
Biden?
Huh?
Biden?
No.
Oh, Reagan.
The movie star, Reagan. They both were presidents of the United States. So we're taking the wall down, Reagan. Okay?
Take it down. So right now we're gonna take a risk. We think all the lambs recognize their mums now. Arnie doesn't like having to go to the back to feed sheep. So we're gonna eventually get all the creep feeders brought up to the front. And the sheep are gonna have the whole pen to run around in. We're gonna move these gates shortly. Oh, right away they gotta move in. They just can't wait. This is where you got to be careful, because when they go through small openings, they tend to tramp each other. Well, more likely they're lambs. But all the ones on one side want to go to the other side, and all the ones from that side want to go to this side. Oh, and I forgot to mention Lazarus. I fed him a bottle the other day, but he won't take one anymore. But we came in the morning and his mom died. So she got him to a really, when I find him I'll show him to you. He looks really good. But whatever it was that was wrong with her in the beginning, she finally did die. We don't know what her problem was. I still think she had a twisted gut and just couldn't go to the bathroom properly. But he actually looks pretty good, and I'm thinking with the creep food and stuff, he's going to be just fine. In fact, he's at the age most farmers wean their lambs. We don't wean that young, but he's a lamb that looks really good, and I know him, so if he is starting to look poor at all, I will give him a bottle. Okay, so the first thing we had to do in here was give him nice fresh bedding, but this time he doesn't have to try get between the walls. He can run the straw bales all the way to the back. Hi, honey. Hi. I didn't see you there. Hi there. How you doing? Is that a lot better?
When I was younger, I used to stand on the bale and just walk it down.
I think you should be able to do that still. You're young still, aren't you? Kind of like those lumberjacks. So there'll be a little bit of adjustment as the younger ones try to find their moms in the big group. But they've all been together long enough now that after the initial few minutes of confusion, they'll figure it all out. So now we're going to do the same with the Dorset side. I don't think these guys need a bale of straw. You see, the ones at the back went forward. The ones at the front went backwards. Because you know what they say about the grass being greener on the other side. The top rung fell off the little ramp here, and so they're having a little trouble adjusting to the rung being missing. Arnie's got to fix that. Hi, you're very pretty. You are. You're lovely. You're lovely. I bet you have a really nice lamb. Yes. Oh, are you 72? No, you're not. But you got a really nice lammy, I bet. Hi, Angel. Hi, Angel. And now we have a ewe that tried to go through the creep area, and she's actually stuck. Okay, I told Arnie that he's got to fix the ramp. Every single one can't deal with that last rung being missing. There, he's gonna make a new one. Every single one has fallen off that. Here comes Angel. Oh, Angel. You know, you're supposed to be introducing your lamb to the pen. Yes, you are. And who are you? Oh, and look who we got up on the box. We got Kinky up there. She can make it to the top and jump off. Oh, Angel. This is Angel. Hi. You always want to be the center of attention, don't you? That's because you're the friendly one in the group. Yeah, you are. Where's your lammy? Shouldn't you be playing with her? Well, you've had enough of her right now. You need a break. Moms need a break. Yeah, they do. Oh, Angel. It's going to take a while for things to calm down in here. Arnie's in the process of fixing the ramp. Okay, so we gotta fix all the little lambs falling off the ramp. You wouldn't think one little step would make all that difference, but it most definitely did. Oh, you're so pretty, Elsie. Now we'll see if they fall.
Why don't you stay here, honey, and do a survey and see how many slip?
We'll do it, because I just
I'll go to work.
I just did the survey of how many were slipping.
And what do you want for supper, hon?
Huh. Gee, why don't you surprise me with something?
I'll surprise you.
Well, that wasn't a test, as that one leaped up and off. What do you guys got? A new ladder. You got a new ladder. Now are you scared? Now they're afraid of the ladder. I know, they can tell it's new. Look at them.
No slippage at all, look.
We'll see how many get up there with that without slipping this time. It's how do they even know it's new? Oh, and we've got an escapee from the Suffolk pen. It's a bottle baby. See, no, it's not bottle time, honey. It's not. It's not, and it's not your pen either. Hey, no, it's not bottle time, honey. Meanwhile, Angel hasn't left. She's watching the whole thing. Hi, you guys. Why is that so exciting? The white ones don't like the black one there. They keep hitting it. Ow, ow, ow. Dang, that hurts. It's abuse. It's lamb abuse. Angel, you have to have a talk with these guys. They're abusive. Well, I see they definitely like the new repaired ramp, as everyone seems to be checking it out. Everybody needs a playpen in their barns. I don't know why people don't do it. The lambs love it. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at that guy right in front of you. I swear they're picking on the little black one. Are you okay? Yeah, we got one who tried to jump on the box but didn't quite make it. So it's kind of dangling from the box. It's kinky. It's kinky. We've been looking at kinky already.
Crooked leg.
It's kinky.
I'm not a judge, okay?
Aren't you?
But you see that face?
It's cute.
It's not acceptable.
Yes, it is. Look
No,
at
it's
how
not.
cute she is. Let's see her face. Oh, kinky. You're fluffy. She has no problem. Watch her go up the ramp.
What's he doing here?
Oh, she likes this pen because everybody's her size. Hi, who are you? These are the triplets and another one that have just learned the bottle feeder. Okay, it's Toonie's turn to get her hooves trimmed because her lamb is ready. She just got her deworming. Oh, don't go this way. We want you in there for a while. She's coming. Your mom's coming. Oh, you're smart. You're smarter than average. There, now we got to get her into this group pen somehow. There they go. Aw, Looney. It's okay. There you go. There you go. She's in a big group. That's the last in this view to leave the pen. Come on. Gonna go that way? Well, the sun's going down and I'm off to make supper again. So I hope you all had a nice Valentine's Day, and I hope you'll join us again tomorrow for the next episode at Ewetopia Farms. Bye for now.